Welcome. Today, I'll show you how to easily add a video chat title in a Telegram channel using the Telegram app on your PC with the newest update. This is a handy feature for those who want to customize their live streams and make their channel video chats more engaging and informative. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your PC. Make sure you are logged in and ready to go. Next, navigate to the channel where you want to add a video chat title. Simply click on the channel from your chat list to open it. Now, look for the call icon at the top of the channel screen. It's usually the middle icon among the set of buttons near the top. Click on that call icon. From the options that appear, choose Start Live Stream. This will initiate the video chat or live stream session for your channel. Once you've started the live stream, you'll need to confirm which account you want to use. Select your account, and then click Continue to proceed. After the live stream starts, find the three-dot menu icon, typically located at the top right corner of the live stream window. Click on these dots to open more options. From the drop-down menu, select Edit Live Stream Title. This is where you can now add a custom title for your video chat or live stream. Type in the title you want your viewers to see. Make sure it's clear and descriptive to attract more attention. Finally, hit the Save button to confirm your new title. Your Telegram channel's live stream will now display this custom title during the video chat. And that's all there is to it. Adding a title to your channel's video chat on Telegram for PC is quick and easy, and it's a great way to keep your audience informed about what you're streaming. Give it a try on your next live session and see how it enhances the experience. Thanks for watching.